In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable notification access for different websites on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser, select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down to Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left panel, and then select Site Settings at the bottom of this list. Underneath permissions, you want to select notifications, and then you want to select where it says sites can ask to send notifications, and you can adjust what type of notification it can send right here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.